Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. These are for your general energies. Strength in reverse, temperance in reverse, and 5 of swords in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Sagittarius, maybe there are certain things, maybe you have certain beliefs for yourself and people in your life, that person you are in relationship with, they have some other belief or some other interest. So that may be you may have conflict of interest or some arguments because of that, because of your beliefs, and you want them to listen to you or they want you to listen to them. So maybe some kind of arguments because of that also, guys. And Sagittarius, in your situation today, maybe this person you love, they are having some kind of they are in some kind of a situation. Maybe they are sick, something that is worrying them or worrying you, or they may have some addictions that again is troubling them a lot today. Something coming in the way of your life together. So their addictions are creating problems in their work situation and even in this relationship, guys. So some troubles because of that, Sagittarius. So this person you love, you are having some minor misunderstandings with each other, guys. And in your work or in your people or in your circle, in your friend circle, they may see you or see this person as someone who has addictions and who is not good. Maybe your character or it may tarnish your name, these addictions or these addictions of this person. People may be speaking behind you all. So they may be talking behind you some bad things about you both, guys. So you need to be change your ways. You need to change your ways, guys. So if it is your energy, if you are the one having addictions, you need to change, go for moderation, try to control and try to give up these addictions bit by bit. You should make a conscious effort for that, guys. Or if it is your person's energy, you should help this person come out of these addictions, Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, it just means that you have love, you have a level of understanding, but there are some difficulties in this relationship. Maybe we were just speaking about addictions. That may be the reason, or maybe for some of you, this person may be a very successful person. Their attitude and the way they handle things, it may look like some arrogance because of their power and authority they are showing in their life. They are exhibiting certain behavior to show that they are really rich and powerful. So that may work against them or against some kind of bad habits. That may be the reason for problems in this relationship, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 9 of Swords. So there are some worries for you in your work situation, guys. Something is not going up to expectation. But Sagittarius, I see that you are someone who has some firm belief, and you are someone who is really determined. So your determination is going to see things through for you guys. No need to worry, Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here, and you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes. Choose the card or the crystals, whatever comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card. For those who chose this card, let's see what it is. It is the white snake, understanding. So this card just means that however difficult our situations are, guys, maybe we are facing lot of struggles today. There are things that are beyond our control. Circumstances are beyond our control. Something is causing a lot of stress and difficulties, and we may feel that people are not helping us. They are quite unemotional and they are not at all kind. They do not have that helpful nature. But you need to understand that whatever kindness or compassion you have shown to others, it is going to come back to you multifold, guys. And whatever sacrifices you have done for others or to help them in some way, all that is going to come back to you, and you are going to get help, and there is going to be a breakthrough moment in your life. Soon everything you did, all the good things that you did, is going to help you in unexpected ways, guys. So you should not forget that. And when you are truthful, when you stand by truth, there is no one or nothing that can defeat you in life today. So you are going to be victorious, and you are going to be in a position able to help others, change others' lives, guys, and you are going to be the greatest inspiration for people with you. And you are someone who is going to heal others. Maybe this person you love, you are going to heal them. Maybe whatever hurt they have in their hearts, you are just going to heal them and change the way their life is going. And you are a wonderful person who is really responsible, caring, compassionate. And though people are arrogant, selfish, they are not at all concerned about you. Your kindness is going to come back to you multifold, guys, and you are going to see great changes in people around you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Such a beautiful card and a beautiful reading with this card. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is your second crystal, and this is the card, guys. Let's see what it is. Embrace change. So with this card, guys, the energy for you all is that today you are going to see great changes, transformation in your life, guys. Change is inevitable, guys, in our life. Nature changes and we change. Everything changes about us, our physical appearance, our emotional self. Everything goes through great changes each and every moment, and world is constantly changing. But if you resist to change, if you want things to go in the same way, same order, you are going to see difficulties, or you are going to see a lot of obstacles and feel a lot of stress. So you need to understand that, guys, and many opportunities are waiting for you, but you need to, what to say, change the way you are. Maybe you want to go by the old and familiar safe way, step by step, and you are, what to say, you are afraid to take up something new in your life today, venture out, think out of the box, or do something out of the box. But you have to trust in the angels. This is an angel oracle card, guys. So angels are here helping you, guiding you in each and every step of the way. So something new is coming into your life today. You should just be ready to accept that new change, a new circumstance, or a new person coming towards you, guys. So you need to let go of all that repetitive old patterns which are not useful to you anymore. So if you welcome change, and you are going to see great things happening in your life today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.